welcome. I'm with Sue.
Oh my god.
Photo shoot for today. We're going to Dubai Festival City.
No, it's the DIFC.
What is the I? Dubai.
Oh, it's the financial center in Dubai.
Route recalculated in 500
It's financial center. I thought it's Dubai Festival City.
Sorry, the
guys, let's not too far. Okay. This is where Tom Cruise shoot his movie. What was that? Mission Impossible number.
We're gonna shoot the same scene right now.
Yes, so I have to run. It's gonna be fun. So I'm wearing black. I'll end up wearing
Tom Cruise is meeting us.
sand later.
He's gonna be in the video.
Yes, because he's divorced, so he agreed to me. Outfit number 2. We're almost done. Yay! We got kicked out with a security guard. So we had from Financial Center, we moved to other locations, like around 15 minutes away. And now we're very, very tired.
I'll ask you some questions.
Hi, welcome to Tony Romas.
You look like you're just one of the people that just like could advertise.
Yes, like the Hooters girl.
Let's see, how was your day today?
Today is really good. We had good shots, and it's tiring, but it's fun.
Yeah, you did well.
Sue.
Oh, you can have shrimp scampi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks good. And I want nachos. Do you want nachos?
Yeah, I'll get nachos. It's fine.
Okay, let's order.
See, look, why don't you show the viewer? This is one of the photos.
Yay. This one is nice. Yes.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yes, boobs. Yes. Yes. Oh. Order now. Let's take it. Yay, I like spicy. It's so good. It's cheesy, it's spicy. There she is.
So nice. Oh, look.
Now I'm at the airport to pick up Rachel. Then we go straight to Dampa Seafood Restaurant for some buffet. Welcome back, Rachel! Hi! Welcome to Dubai! We are here at Dampa. You know the Dampa, like the... Yes. Like that. Hello, millennials. Hindi nyo alam yun, millennial kayo. Jubilee kami. Kamusta ang bansang sinilangan? Well, saya doon. Gaano kasaya? Masaya siya kasi walang pera after. Yes. Mawakala ang iyong nagastos. Humigit kumulang. Puro siyang saving. $500,000. Buong insurance plan po niya ay nagastos niya. The food was really good. Worth every calorie. Go, She! Walang kakain! Mag-i-Instagram muna! Walang kakain! Kakain na! Kasama ang buhok. Napakasarap ng mga kaibigan. September was a great month for me. I was recognized. However, I still want more, just like everyone else. I'm with Jenny, the one and only. And it's currently 39 degrees. Windy. And she paid so much for her glutathione supplies. This is the outfit for today. It's so hot. Freaking hot. It's 39 degrees in the Middle East. There's no trees, no umbrella. We're basically here to burn our skin. So let's go to the beach. Or we go later. You want to sit there?
Let's just say something. Like, if you want to cry and if you think that life is being so shit on you, then go dip in that water. You can cry.
Yeah.
You cry during rain.